Unreal places in the Philippines. Palawan is known as one of the world's best islands. It's home to stunning limestone cliffs, crystal clear waters, and diverse marine life. Tubataha Reef National Marine Park in Palawan is home to over 600 species of fish, sharks, and sea turtles. It's one of the best diving spots in the world. Hinatuan Enchanted River in Surigao del Sur is a natural wonder. Its clear blue waters seem to glow, making it look like something out of a fairy tale. Subscribe for more.